Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Matic or Polygon, but I'll refer to it as Matic, which I haven't covered in a long time. Obviously, I was on vacation as well, but I did want to take a look at it right now because I think there are several good opportunities right now for Matic. I think overall this is an important update. I'll try to tell you everything you need to know, right? We'll also talk about some fundamentals, like how is Polygon actually doing in terms of active addresses and transactions and stuff. So I'll tell you everything you need to know about that. But at this point of time, it's not looking too great for Matic. And most of you know that I am a very big fan of Matic and Polygon ZK EVM. But it's just looking very, very bad. Like if you, we'll get into more, we'll get more into depth a little bit later. But if you take a look at Matic right now, what you'll see is that we actually recovered a bit after the crash. But then the 21st, so 2 days ago, starting this week, we actually continued the bearish momentum. Whereas most cryptos actually stabilized pretty well. So that's just bearish confirmation. And it's not great. But we'll talk about that more in depth a little bit later in this video. Before that, I did want to mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades. But you also gain access to an exclusive chat room full of traders, etc. A lot of great perks. If you want to become a better trader and more profitable trader, check that out. Links will be down in the description, or you can just head on over to cilinix.com. But now on to Matic, and more specifically Polygon. Because Polygon itself right now, if you take a look at it, total value locked has been in a downtrend basically ever since the end of July. Daily transactions, stable. Daily active addresses, stable, but in a slight downtrend. And then if we take a look at the Polygon ZK EVM, which was growing a lot, what you'll see now is that it's decreasing. Like the total value locked has dropped down more than $10 million. So that's not doing great either. So overall, it's not looking too great, all right? And then if we take a look at the technicals, like I said, we actually got quite a lot of bearish momentum, while other cryptos stabilized. And we got a bearish breakout below, I would say, the most important level right now, which is this level right here, around 57 cents. More specifically, it ranges between 56 and 57 cents. But that's the most important level because we had a bearish breakout below that. We've also found resistance there earlier this morning. And at this point in time, it looks most likely that we will just continue to drop down lower towards the lower areas of this bigger key area between 53 and 50 cents. All right, so at this point of time, that looks most likely that we will drop down to 52, 51 cents. I do think we can stabilize on top of that. But obviously that's more bearish momentum, which is definitely not great. So even though this is the most likely scenario, there is still a possibility, a realistic possibility, that we will be able to retake 57 cents. And that's why I said there's quite a lot of opportunities, because you could either short down to 51, 52 cents. You could buy from that area on the long term. But apart from that, what's also possible is that Bitcoin actually does get some bullish momentum right now. And the moment Bitcoin is able to break above 26,300, that's a bearish, that's a bullish breakout, bullish confirmation, then Matic is probably going to be able to break above 56 and 57 cents. And once Matic is able to do that, we can actually expect some bullish momentum as well. So even though it doesn't look like the most likely scenario right now, it's definitely realistic, and there's definitely about to be movement which you can capitalize on. So that's why I thought it was interesting to make a video on that. For now, that's the end of it. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.